On our Health Watch this evening, are you depressed or anxious? Can't sleep?
Believe it or not, a little zap of electricity might help you. CBS 2's Mary Kay Kleiss reports on an at-home treatment that makes a difference for some people.
It's not much bigger than a cell phone, but this little machine is doing big things.
I had a personal relationship end after 8 years, and I just really wasn't myself. I was very depressed.
So several times a week, Karen Parziel uses this electrotherapy device at home. She says it relieved her depression.
I sort of describe it as this, where my world was black and white, and now I sort of see color.
Just tell me when you start to feel anything at all. Pulses.
Michael Peterzak uses the same device and says it's helped him with insomnia, irritability, and anxiety.
I don't tighten up as much in the shoulders anymore, and my face isn't, gnarling up, and I don't have those running and racing thoughts.
All right, we'll go up just a little bit more.
I could feel like relaxing in the back of my neck.
Clinical psychologist Sam Effarah says about 30% of his patients use these devices. He says if you have low to mid-range anxiety, you usually would notice a change within minutes.
A calmness, kind of relaxed all over, a warm feeling. I have a lot of people who come in with racing thoughts. I can't fall asleep, I can't stop thinking. After using it pretty consistently, your brainwaves are fairly regulated.
Here's how they work. Low voltage current is transmitted to the brain through clips that are attached to the ears.
Or through dampened sponges applied to the temples. At first, you may feel a pulsating sensation in your ears. If you start to feel dizzy, it's time to turn the dial lower. The devices deliver about 1/1000th the power of hospital machines used for traditional electroconvulsive therapy. But some doctors are not convinced they're effective.
There are some reports of people who have experienced relief from it, but there's no scientifically demonstrated, compelling scientific evidence that it is an effective treatment.
Manufacturers say doctors are prescribing these devices for patients who have failed with traditional drug treatment or who are looking for alternatives. Michael Peterzak says he feels like a different person.
I find myself just responding very differently, in much more relaxed, much more focused kinds of ways.